Y'all know how it is. Y'all know the drill. I'm scared, but this is gonna be great. Oh my. Hey guys, it's Emma and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I am so happy to have you guys here. You should definitely subscribe because I love you guys so much and I post videos every week. So you guys should definitely give this video a like and subscribe. So keep watching to know what I used to get that. Let's just get right into this video. All right, so first I'm gonna start off with the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Eye Eraser. Only 19, so I know I don't have like bags under my eyes or whatever, but this is just good to prep your eyes. And just gently place it under my eyes, just so my concealer goes on smooth and nice. Next, I'm going to be taking the Becca Backlighting Primer. I've never tried this primer, so I'm going to be trying out different things for you guys. And I don't know if this might be, because it's like, it says backlight, it's gonna have a little bit more of a shiny sheen to it. And now I look like an oily girl. Oh God. Oh no. When I put on foundation, it's gonna look really glowy. And then I also just got this, well, my mom got it. This is a good foundation. It Cosmetics CC cream, and it's full coverage cream, and it's color correcting, plus it's anti-aging and hydrating serum with SPF of 50, UVA/UVB, broad spectrum sunscreen. So it looks really nice. So I'm gonna try it out and hopefully this is the right color. I'm gonna see if I like it with the Beauty Real Techniques thing. My skin looks very dewy, and I'm not sure I'm the biggest fan of dewiness, so we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna put another layer, but I'm going to put it with a kabuki, and maybe that'll be more matte, which that literally doesn't really make any sense, but we'll just see. I think I really like this foundation though. I think it matches. This is definitely, I feel very dewy. I'm sorry if I keep looking into the other side because I'm filming this like on my phone. Yeah, like to see what my makeup looks like, I'm gonna have to look at myself. I'm sorry. Okay, now that we have, oh, I also forgot. I'm gonna put on some Burt's Bees chapstick. Just so, because I know I'm gonna be putting on lip product and you need some chapstick. Okay, next I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just gonna be putting a little bit because you just don't wanna go overboard. I'm gonna put that on there. And, I guess I'm just gonna keep trying this beauty blender. See if I like this. I can put a little bit of the excess on my nose and under my eyes. Okay, now that we have the concealer on, I'm going to take this towel to get the foundation off of my lips because you just never want that. It's just never, whatever. So obviously I need to set this for my under eyes. I'm gonna do this immediately so I don't get that much creasing under my eyes in the places where I really put the Tarte Shape Tape, because that will crease because it's very full coverage. And then I'm going to be taking for the rest of my face. This is the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. And this has no coverage to it because it says it's sheer, but it just looks like this. And set your face or else you're gonna be looking. Okay, so now that we have that, first, because I always use my Naked Skin Shapeshifter, but I also love this Hoola. And I'm gonna start off by putting that in my sparkly little contour. It has the little angle to it, so that's when you know it's for bronzer. And then I'm just gonna put it on my forehead too. And it's so hard to see, but I'm just gonna be putting that in my forehead. I also put it under my lip All right, then I'm gonna be taking, for extra bronziness, my Naked Shapeshifter. And I'm just gonna be mixing the two dark colors together and just... The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do some eyeshadow, but I'm gonna switch to my Modern Renaissance. And I saw a makeup tutorial by Jasmine Hand, and this girl, she did a halo eye and she looked gorgeous. So I'm just gonna, because she took Red Ochre, so that's what I'm gonna do. But first things first, I'm gonna take raw sienna and I'm gonna put that in my, oops, just kidding guys. We're gonna take the paint pot, and it's a MAC paint pot in Laying Low. And this is what it looks like. It's just a little base for your eyes before you start. So I'm gonna put that on. Okay, so now we're ready to start. It kind of just gets rid of your veins in your eyes if you have those, and it just has a good base to it. So actually, I'm gonna go with tempera. And I'm just gonna use my finger to put that on my lid just to set that, because it's a little bit creamier. What should I call this makeup tutorial? I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna go in with raw sienna eyeshadow brush. I call it like, I don't know. We'll see what the title, I wonder what the title is right now. I'm like really feeling summer right now, so maybe I'll call it like a summer makeup look, dewy summer makeup look, because this is pretty dewy for me. I don't know, I'll add a lot of highlighter to this look and it'll just be really like fun and summery, because I'm gonna be using like cute little pinks and reds. So yeah, that's what I'll call it. Okay, so now that I took that, I'm gonna take Red Ochre, like I was saying before, on my eye. And now I'm gonna take a more concentrated brush just to focus the Red Ochre more on my crease area. I'm gonna do a halo eye, that in these two sections of your eye. I'll just come a little bit closer for you guys to see it better. But yeah, we're just gonna focus it in those two areas and go back and forth. Sorry, I was just talking really quiet. And then same for the other eye. And actually, the more I think about the title of this video, I did use the Becca Backlighting Primer, and then the CC Cream it's like the sunscreen reminds me of summer. Oh my god, I'm such a weirdo. And then this Candle Glow, so it's pretty glowy. So yeah, now I just focus that more. And now I'm gonna take Venetian Red. You guys see that? Yeah, I'm gonna take that and put it in there as well, because pinky is summer vibes, right? I need summer so bad. Where I live right now, it was snowing yesterday. What day is it? Yeah, it's like late April. On my channel, I've been doing like so many just brown tones, so this is like a lot different from what I've been usually doing. So, and I like it. So then I'm also gonna take the Cypress Umber. It's just a brown color up there. And then I'm just gonna take that in my V as well, just to darken up the look. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, in the same palette, I might as well just use the same palette. I'm gonna take Primavera, it's just the gold shimmery, and I'm gonna use my fingers to put it on my lid. And then I'm also gonna put it in Vermeer, and that's the pinky one. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner to give it a nice pop to the eye. And I'm so sorry I keep looking the other way. That's probably so annoying. Okay. Ooh, next we're gonna make it even more, our skin even more glowy. And we're gonna take the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this is in Moonlight. And so we're gonna go for more dewiness. So shiny, look at that. I'm scared, but this is gonna be great. Do you see that, guys? Yes. Oh my god, look at that, you guys. Just everywhere. So now that we have that on, I'm gonna do my bottom eyeshadow. I'm just gonna be taking the same colors that I have been and just blending it down downwards into my eye. Just this gold brush and the angled side, blending them all down together. Okay, now that I have that on my under eyes, I'm also going to be taking my, where's it at? Where are you at? Oh, it's the 24-Hour Urban Decay eyeliner, and it's in the color Stag. The other weekend I was at a wedding and I did all the bridesmaids makeup, including the bride, and it was like so fun. I had so much fun, but I did the waterline for all of them. And guys, it is so hard putting on like eyeliner on in the waterline on other people, because obviously you're sticking like this in your eye, so it was really hard. Okay, now we're gonna do mascara for the under eyes, and I do have lash extensions on. If you guys didn't know, I got lash extensions, and I showed them a couple times in my video. So if you guys are interested in those, you can look at my videos and see if that's something that you'd be interested in. But I love them. Cute face. Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm just gonna brush them out. And then I'm gonna be taking the Ka-Brow Precise My Brow Pencil, and I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows real quick. You really get that arch going, you know? You know what I'm saying? Also here to tell you guys that eyebrows are sisters, not twins, and to always remember that when you're doing your brows. So next, to clean up my brows, I'm gonna be taking this. It looks like this. This is how it's like a little brush. And I'm gonna be taking the, where ya at? Why can't I find it? What in the heck? Oh, there it is. Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm gonna be taking this, and I'm gonna be cleaning up my brows, and I'm just gonna take it under it and then just outline the bottom of it. So it really cleans it up, and it's really easy just to go like that. This is so hard to do, but do you see how it's making it sharp? It really makes your eyebrows look really sharp. So next, I'm gonna be taking some blush, a mixture of these two colors, just so it's more fun and bright. This brush right here. And then next, this end of the brush, and then just highlighting my brow bone with Vermeer. Okay. Oh, we have to set the brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Just setting that in place. All that's left to do is setting spray and lips. So I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay Lip and Back Talk, putting this on. Oh my God, highlighter too. Over this highlighter, another highlighter. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on my lip. This is so hard to do on camera. Look at that. Oh God. I'm gonna be taking the Buxom lip gloss. Color is Celeste. So I'm gonna add that for some more sparkles and summer vibes. Oh, it smells so good. Anastasia Glow Kit in summer, you guessed it. Oh my God, look at that, you guys. Wow. Why did I just say that? I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. Oh. I'm like in love. I'm just gonna keep adding it. Setting. Oh God. Make sure you shake this if you have this, you guys. You really have to shake it. It says in the thing, shake me. Shake me, baby. So make sure to do that. Air dry. Y'all know how it is. Y'all know the drill. This is like not the best lighting. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but oops. But this is my look. It's very, oh my, literally holding a lamp. I hate myself. But yeah, that is it for this summer, my go-to summer makeup look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, you should definitely subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.